we are really best case in the Western Balkan. And yesterday there was no decision from GAC, General Affairs of Ministers, who have a session, and they don't have enough courage to take decision for keeping motivation for us, not to be immediately member country, only to keep motivation to go in the right direction. The problem is France. France debate about the reforms of European Union, about new methodology to be adopted for enlargement process. And of course we are aware, it's our Europe also, not only to the citizens from European countries, European member countries. There is needed for reforms, but reforms can happen really parallelly with keeping motivation for us candidate countries. Because without this motivation, the nationalism, populism, radicalism will back again.